Impecunious. Without money. Not having enough money to pay the necessities. Impecunious is an adjective meaning without money. Not having enough money to pay for necessities. Impecunious. I don't have money to pay the rent and the bills. I am impecunious. It comes from the Latin word impecunia, which means in, not, and pecunia means money. So no money. Impecunious. Our company needs to find a way to make more money. We are left impecunious. Protracted. It's an adjective which means lasting longer than you would prefer. I always skip the protracted ads before a YouTube video. They never seem to stop. Protracted. Long in duration. Corruption is the main reason for the protracted crime activities in our country. We should come to an end one day. Protracted. Long in duration. Extemporaneous is an adjective which means done without preparation. It was an amazing and very touching speech, even though it was extemporaneous. It wasn't prepared. Extemporaneous. It was an extemporaneous performance by the singer, yet everybody loved it. The show was awesome. I didn't know it was extemporaneous. Eloquent is an adjective, and it means someone who speaks clearly and effectively, someone who is good with words. Barack Obama is one of the most eloquent leaders of today. Someone who speaks clearly and effectively. To be a leader, you need to be eloquent. You are going to handle a lot of speeches. It is very helpful to be eloquent in a job interview. Acumen. Intelligence and precision at what you do. Acumen. The doctor who operated on my legs was known for his acumen. That's why I trusted him. Acumen. Intelligence and precision at what you do. If you inherit a business from your father, you could end up with nothing if you don't have his business acumen. His business intelligence and precision. So acumen, intelligence and precision at what you do.